This is Miss Anna from the McHenry Public Library, and today I'm going to be talking about how to make your very own quarantine time capsule. So this is a good way to remember all of the fun things that you guys did during COVID-19. And I'm just going to walk through a few of the memories that I had, and you can really do whatever you want with your own time capsule. So the first thing you're going to need is some sort of box. This could be a shoebox, this could be an old Tupperware container. I've got this beauty box that I'm using, but really any kind of container that you guys have at home, because the key is that you're using items that you can find at home to make this time capsule. And what you're going to do is you're going to fill it up with items that remind you of things that you did during quarantine. So I'm just going to show you a few of the things that I'm putting in my box, but really you can design this however you'd like. So the first thing I'm going to put in there is this journal that I've been keeping of all of my memories. So it just has some nice writing in there and some doodles that I've been making, and I think this will be a good opportunity to kind of look back and see, all the things that I was feeling and look back into my past. So this is the first thing that I'm going to put in there. The next thing I'm going to put in there is this bookmark. And it's actually a bookmark I made as part of one of our kits from the library. So if you haven't participated in any of our virtual programs yet, we have a lot of cool ones at the library. So this was like a DIY nature bookmark. And we have a lot of other cool programs, but I wanted to include this for two reasons. One, because I've been having a lot of fun creating these videos for you guys, and two, because I love reading, right? So that's why I'm putting this bookmark in here to kind of help me remember all of the cool books that I read during quarantine. And I don't know about you guys, but I read a lot of books. And I think my favorite one so far has been One Last Shot by David Anderson. And that one is about a boy who has been participating in baseball, but he hasn't really liked it all that much. So he does quit, but then he discovers mini golf and he ends up really liking it. But then his dad signs him up for all these competitions without asking him. So he kind of has to deal with his relationship with his parents, and his parents are also having these troubles. And it's just a really great book, so I think you'll really like it. So that's why I'm putting this bookmark into my box. The next thing I wanted to put in there was a cat toy. So I don't know if any of you guys have pets, but I've been having a lot of fun playing with my pets. I think they've secretly been enjoying this time because they've gotten to see us a lot more often. And my dog has been going on walks like 50 times a day. So I wanted to put a toy in there to kind of remind me about all the fun times that I've had with my cat and my dog. So I'm putting that in my box as well. The next thing that I wanted to put in there is this keychain. So this is to my old keys because I actually moved pretty recently. So I wanted to put this old keychain to my old keys in here to kind of remind me about that and the experience that I had. So just something to remind me about that. The next thing I'm going to put in there is this cool Fantastic Four pin. So I don't know about you guys, but I really like superheroes, and one of the things that I've been doing is watching a lot of Netflix and Hulu, and I've really liked the superhero shows. So that's why I wanted to put it in there to kind of remind me of all the cool shows that I've been watching during quarantine. The next thing I wanted to put in there is a little silly. It's actually this poop squishy. And this is a party favor from a party, well, a socially distanced party that I went to. Pretty silly, right? But I wanted to put it in there because it brings a smile to my face, and I think it'll be really funny when I open this up and I see the poop squishy. I think I will be like, oh, wait, what was that from? And then I'll remember the really fun time that we had, even though we had to be socially distant. The next thing that I wanted to put in there were some colored pencils. So I really like to do a lot of art, and I've been making a lot of artwork during quarantine. So I'm going to put that in there to kind of remind me of all the fun artwork that I've been making. The next thing I'm going to put in there is this birdie. So I really like to play different sports, and one of my favorite sports is badminton, so I'm going to put it in there. I had a lot of fun playing it during quarantine, especially during those really nice days outside with my family, so I'm going to put that in there. The next thing I'm going to put in there, I think you guys are going to like this one. I have this Princess Peach from Super Mario. So I don't know about you guys, but I really like to play video games. I've been playing a lot of them. Some of the ones that I've been really enjoying include the new Animal Crossing game, as well as the new Pokemon game that came out, and then of course I've been playing a lot of the Mario games. So I wanted to put this Princess Peach that I had in here. I also think it's kind of funny because, you know, this way we're kind of hiding her away. Maybe Mario will have to look for her. And who knows if he'll find her in the box or not. So last but not least, I wanted to put some headphones in here. This is to remind me of all of the cool music that I've discovered and have been listening to during quarantine. I don't know about you, but I've discovered a lot of new people like Lizzo, and I've also been enjoying Taylor Swift's new album. So I think this is just a good reminder of all the different artists that I have listened to. So those are all the things that I have in my box. So I'll just show you one more time how that looks like. So you can see all my different items in there. And what you're going to do once your box has been completed is talk to an adult and see where you can store it. So you want to put it somewhere where, you know, it won't get damaged. It won't get like water or anything on it. So a good place to keep it is maybe like a closet, or if you have a storage space or something like that. You can bury it if you want. I wouldn't recommend doing it in a cardboard box, but if you have a metal or plastic container, you can do that too. And then, you know, set a date for yourself. You can set a reminder on your phone, maybe like a year from now, maybe sooner, or maybe even later, maybe 2 or 3 years from now. And you can go back to your box and go through it and see what memories are inside. So I think a really fun thing that you can do is either do this with your friends, like create one with all of your friends, or with your family. So I think this is a really great way to kind of think about all the different things that you've done and to come back to it later. So this was my quarantine time capsule. If you do decide to make one of your own, I'd be really interested to hear what kind of items that you put in it. If you want to share that at all, you can leave a comment, or you could send us a picture of your quarantine box either by email, or you can share it on our Facebook page. I hope you enjoyed creating a quarantine time capsule with me and you liked seeing all of the things that I put in it. And I hope that you check out all of our other cool programs that we have going on virtually as well. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.